Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Has your HP OfficeJet 5258 stopped printing suddenly? Usually there are three major suspects behind this issue, which are outdated printer driver, pending print jobs, or a change in default printer settings. So in today's video, I'll show you how to resolve these issues to get your printer printing again. If you need more help, you can dial these numbers on the screen to talk to our printer experts. Alright then, let's jump right into the solutions. Method 1. Perform a power reset. Make sure your printer is powered on. Now, remove the power cord from the rear of the printer. Unplug the power cord from the power adapter. After that, remove the power plug from the outlet. Now, you'll have to wait for 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, plug the power cord into the printer, adapter, and the outlet. If the power reset worked, please subscribe to our channel. Otherwise, let's check if there are any stuck pending print jobs which should be cancelled. Method 2. Delete all print jobs. Double-click the printer icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Note, if you don't see it, click the small arrow to reveal hidden icons. On the window, right-click on any pending HP print job. When the confirmation box pops up, click on the Cancel again to confirm. Note, you'll need to do this for each pending print job, one at a time. Once that's done, your printer queue will be clear. If you're facing any other problems with your printer, please let us know in the comments. If your printer is still not responding, let's check for printer driver updates. Method 3. Update printer driver via Device Manager. First, click on the Start menu. Type Device Manager and open it. In the Device Manager window, find and expand the Print Queues section. Now, find your HP OfficeJet 5258 in the list. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. In the Update Driver window, choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will then check for latest updates and install them for you. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.